Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're going to make a very Frenchy recipe, but my way. We're going to make some smoked ribeye with a Bordelaise sauce. Bordelaise comes from the wine of Bordeaux, okay, in France. So this is a very good sauce. For the sauce, you will need some marrow bones, okay, and we will keep also 2 or 3 marrow bones to spread some marrow on the meat, okay. You will need a veal stock, you will need some Bordeaux wine, you will need a good rub, some butter, some fresh thyme, okay, and some lemon. I think it's it. So the first step is to rub the meat, okay, and to smoke the meat at 120 Celsius degrees, 240, 250 Fahrenheit degrees in the Pit Boss K24 Kamado, okay. And we will also smoke the marrow bones. They are frozen now, okay, but the time that the meat smoke, they will defrost and they will smoke. It will be just perfect, okay. So the internal temperature of the meat should be 50 Celsius degrees. We want a medium rare cook on that meat, so medium rare is 54 Celsius degrees, but I will let the meat rest for maybe 10 to 15 minutes after smoking, and the internal temperature of the meat will raise from 50 to 53, 54, which is the perfect temperature for medium rare, okay. So first step, we need to oil the meat, rub the meat, smoke the meat and the marrow bones, okay. Then we will gonna make the sauce. For the wood that I will use in the K24, I will use some peach tree wood, okay. Only 2 or 3 chunks, okay, no more. I use a fruit wood. Why? Because the smoke will be mild, let's say soft, and I think it's better because I don't want to over taste the smoke on that meat. It's a French recipe, so we can smoke it but not to over smoke it, okay. Fruit wood is perfect. If you use oak or hickory or mesquite or any hard smoke wood, it will be too tart, maybe too tart, okay. Let's go. First step, some olive oil to let the rub stick. Alright, for the rub, for the meat, I will use the Steakinator from Barbecue Quebec, okay, which is a very good one. Okay. Alright, it's time now to make the sauce Bordelaise. So for that we need a shallot, okay. I took 2 small shallots or a big one, okay. 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 garlic clove, okay. We need 1 marrow bones. I cooled that one because we need around 50 grams of bone marrow. We need 1 cup of Bordeaux red wine, okay. And we need 400 milliliters of veal stock. All right. So the first thing to do is to melt some butter, to sweat some the shallots and the garlic, okay. And then we will deglaze with the red wine. All right. We will flambe the red wine. Reduce to the half, okay, and then we will add the veal stock and let's reduce again to the half, okay. So let's go. 1 garlic clove minced, shallot, Alright, the temperature, the inside temperature of the meat is 49 Celsius degrees, okay, 49. So it's time to remove the meat probe and to let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes on the side. Now I will add 2 or 3 thyme sprigs. It's reduced by half, so I add my veal stock. And the bone marrow. Now we will let it boil again and reduce by half. So it needs to be not really syrupy, but not too far from syrupy. And I will add the juice of half lemon. All right, now we just need to filter the sauce. Some mashed potatoes. That perfect meat. Great bone marrow. And Belgian endives. This is the smoked prime ribeye with a Bordelaise sauce. Enjoy! So thank you for watching this video. I hope you appreciate. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.